What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for yet another Iron Gwazi construction update. Before we head inside the park, of course, we're going to look and see what's going on outside the park. Let's go! And here at the ticket booth, this side is open, and that side's open, but not too busy. Security gates, not much of a line, we should be right in. Yep, no wait to get through security or through the front entrance, and we are on our way. Right out here in the front area, looks really good. Again, more plants and foliage have been added. We have guys up on the wave turn doing some cutting of lumber right now. Again, queue area looking good. We have fans and lights in there. Well, here's something new to cover. The tarps right over the seating area have been changed out to a purple color. It looks really nice. And as we can see, work walls are still up in the front entrance area. So we said the RMC guys were up there on the wave turn. Well, they're cutting wood for clearance. Why would you do that? For testing.
3, 2, 1, shoot it.
That's a big difference with some of that wood cut. Some of those pieces were sticking right up into the path of the track. Well, now they're not. Gwazi Park, also a great place to get awesome views of Gwazi. We have the walking topiaries here, and the gates are open. So check it out, over here for the Food and Wine Festival, we have a painting that's currently taking place. It's gonna be a cheetah! Have a fun day. Well, would you look at that, folks? We got Fred Grubb on site. And here we can see a ride restricted fence with a bunch of new gravel and lighting on the ground. Oh hey look, it's a Gwazi coaster enthusiast meetup. Still no news with the concert stage here or the Coca-Cola Pavilion. Hopefully the work walls will be down. We'll have some concerts soon. Also known as a great way to get an aerial view of Iron Gwazi. Let's go do that now. Well, every week we've been checking on the Stanleyville Theater, and we can see right here, today's show is Cirque Vertigo, times 11:30 and 1:30. And here's a look at the upcoming schedule, so if you see anybody you like, get to the park. No, Skyride is closed, so that means no aerial view of Project Jethro. Of course, once we get over there, we'll talk about it a little bit more, though. Sleepy kitty. Yep, still here. Moving on. Falcon's Fury, and normally we would be riding this to get an aerial view of Iron Gwazi, but it's closed right now due to winds. A lot of the rides are. Maybe a little bit later it'll open back up. We'll see. Hello from the construction site of Project Jethro. Again, rumored to be an S&S Scream and Swing. Project 408 from them, actually. And we have some new information that's going to put this into very plausible. In fact, I would bet the farm on it. We have a 40-seater. It's going to face north to south. And we have some different dates. So the contract was signed on December 16th. Commencement of work started January 6th. And guess what? We have anchor bolts that are going to be showing up on June 15th. Of course, fabrication of ride will be complete August 19th, and then we have delivery of parts apparently around August 28th. The ride will start going up October 15th, and then the ride will actually start testing sometime around the 1st of November with an opening sometime in December. I know we've been saying 2021 project, but it's looking like it's going to be December of this year. We'll let you know though. Falcon's Fury, and it was down earlier, but as we can see right here, back open. Let's go get a ride so we can get an aerial view of Iron Gwazi. Oh hey, there's these weird looking birds in front of me. Yeah, not exactly sure what they are, but they're sure pretty.
91. What's a bird 91?
Oh hey, their directional sign, and I can now see Iron Gwazi on there. Remember earlier when they were painting the cheetah? Well, it's all done now and it looks beautiful. Alrighty guys, so we're back over here at Gwazi Park, and good news, the tall cranes have been moved out of the area. And why would they do that? Well, you need them out so they can place the last pieces of track, which are going in right now. And there's a zoomed in view of the final pieces going in. And there we have it folks, the very last piece of track is going in right now.
Oh, we're like halfway, maybe. Maybe. I don't even think we're halfway. Oh, no, we're not even halfway. Oh, man, what did I do? Why did I do this? You're gonna do that.
Well guys, that's going to do it for another update here from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for Iron Gwazi construction, and it was a monumental one. as crews place the last pieces of track for the layout. Yes, that's right, it's complete. And now we're just waiting for testing, which should hopefully happen very, very soon. Of course, when it does, we'll let you know. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.